A flowchart graphically represents the sequence of operations or step-by-step progression of a programming or business model, using connecting lines and conventional symbols. Different shapes are used, and each shape represents a certain action or conclusion of action. Example, cube is equal to side cube. Integer is the data type declaration in this given example, and we use C as the variable name of cube and S as the variable name of side. All flowchart starts with a terminal symbol with a word start. All the variables written on the right side of equal sign are the ones that we will write on the input symbol. In our example, we will write enter S. For the next step, we will just copy our derived formula and write it on the process symbol. After that, we will print the variable on the left side of equal sign. In our example, we will write print C. For us to close the flowchart, we have to draw another terminal symbol with end written on it. Another example, perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi radius. Just like in our previous discussion, we have to write the mathematical operator on a given formula. In this example, we have to multiply 2, pi, and radius, so we have to write asterisk in between. Float is the declaration to be used here. POC is variable name for perimeter of a circle and R for radius. We will begin again with a start symbol. R is the only variable on the right side of equal sign, that's why we have enter R. Then, copy the formula and write it inside the process symbol. After that, print the variable on the left side of equal sign. Then write the end symbol to end the flowchart. For our last example, area of circle is equal to pi radius squared. The derived formula is float, AOC, equals quantity float 3.1416 times R times R. All flowchart begins with a start symbol. Inside the input symbol, we will write the variable on the right side of equal sign. Copy the formula and write it inside the process symbol. Then print the variable on the left side of equal sign. Then end the flowchart with an end symbol. I hope you learned something in this video. Keep safe and God bless you.